From megacomets to rogue black holes, these formidable phenomena make the universe a truly dangerous place. 1. Incoming MEGACOMET. Are you ready for Megacoma? The appearance in our solar system in 2021 of the biggest ever comet is terrifying. At 85 miles, 137 kilometers, across, with an icy nucleus 50 times bigger than the previous record holder, opens in new tab, and a mass 100,000 times greater than the average comets, Comet C, 2014 UN 271, Bernardinelli Bernstein, is so big, it was initially classified as a minor planet. Thankfully, this monster snowball is predicted to get no closer than a billion miles, 1.6 billion kilometers, to Earth when it makes its closest approach in 2031. But could there be more monster comets out there? That is a truly terrifying prospect. 2. Collision with Andromeda. It may be 2.5 million light-years from Earth, but Andromeda, the largest galaxy in our local group, is on a terrifying trajectory. It's headed straight for, and will one day collide with, our Milky Way galaxy. Just before it does, though, it will dominate the night sky. Thankfully, Andromeda won't arrive for another 3 billion to 5 billion years, opens in new tab, or so. 3. Catastrophic solar flare. Earth is constantly bombarded by high-energy particles from the Sun. Most of the time, the planet's magnetic field deflects these solar attacks. However, occasionally, magnetic contortions inside our star realign and cause a solar flare. A sudden flash of light that hurls incredible amounts of X-rays and energy in all directions that travels at the speed of light. The result can be blackouts in navigation and communication signals. Another scenario is a coronal mass ejection, CME, a slow burner that sends magnetized particles into space. If the CME is aimed at Earth, we get geomagnetic storms a few days later, which have the potential to disrupt communications and power grids. 4. Rogue black holes in our galaxy. Black holes are obviously terrifying. These crushed remnants of a massive star that exploded as a supernova are so massive that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. Thankfully, it feels pretty safe to look at the first image of Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way. After all, it's 26,000 light-years away. 5. 154,741 extra asteroids. Many large objects lurk in our solar system, and we know only about a fraction of them. It's possible that there's an unknown asteroid out there that could destroy life on Earth. Just like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Luckily, we're discovering more of our solar system's space rocks every day, thanks to ever-improving wide-field telescope surveys. In fact, scientists now think that 90% of planet-killer, near-Earth objects, those larger than 0.6 mile, 1 kilometer, in diameter, and around 50% of city-killer, have been found. 6. The Moon's Shadow. A total solar eclipse is a spellbinding celestial event, but totality can also be a little terrifying. By the time the moon covers 95% of the sun's disk, the sky gets darker. The temperature drops. A chilly wind blows over you, and every hair on your body stands up. Eerie grey twilight descends, and shadows sharpen. If you're in an elevated location overlooking a vast landscape, you can also see the moon's shadow racing toward you until it swallows you, and everything goes dark. There's an aching fear in your stomach, maybe the sun will not return. A naked eye view of the sun's corona is the prize for anyone standing in the moon's shadow, but that haunting feeling will stay with you until daylight returns a few minutes later, and maybe beyond.